Welcome back to Primetime News. If you're watching online at onespotmedia.com, a very special welcome to you. Thanks for joining us. Up first this evening, the Bank of Jamaica is predicting that almost $60 billion worth of production could be wiped out this year due to the coronavirus. This amounts to about 3% of the country's economic output. It's why the BOJ will be pumping billions into the financial system to enhance spending from the government to minimize the economic fallout from COVID-19.
The writing is on the wall. Recession fears are gripping the world as the COVID-19 pandemic halts businesses, causing layoffs and pay cuts around the world. In Jamaica, the picture is no different.
The scenarios indicate that we'll contract somewhere a little more than 3% in the next fiscal year.
Faced with that fallout, the Bank of Jamaica on Thursday announced preemptive measures to soften the impact. First, from the central bank's perspective, some assurance
that Jamaica's financial system remains sound, well capitalized, and its current holdings of Jamaica dollar liquid balances remain adequate.
But the BOJ is clearly taking no chances, stepping in to help, announcing 8 measures to shore up the banking system by opening lines of credit and transferring monies to the market through the purchase of debt instruments issued by the government itself.
As at March 25, the total value of liquidity assistance provided by the bank via its short-term lending facility and its asset purchase program amounted to $57 billion.
This augments the $25 billion stimulus the government announced earlier this week. Additionally, the central bank has held its policy rate at 0.5% and said those who need foreign exchange to conduct business will be able to get it.
At the same time, we have placed a halt on investment transactions that require the purchase of foreign exchange.
The central bank says it expects inflation to fall to the lower end of its target range of 4 to 6%, as sharp declines in the price of oil and weak consumer demand hold down any inflationary pressures from weather-related hikes in the price of farm produce and disruptions in the supply chain.
Bank of Jamaica will continue to closely monitor the impact of COVID-19 on the economy and stands ready to deploy additional measures, including a reduction of the policy rate and the cash reserves requirement. We need to ensure the continued smooth flow of liquidity to all our participants in the Jamaican financial system and to maintain orderly conditions within the foreign exchange market.
Milton Walker, TVJ News.